So I just restored the Famicom here back to life. It had a bad power supply. The board looked really clean. Even though it still looks kind of dirty, I did take it apart and clean it up as best as I could. And I've been waiting patiently for the power supply for it so that I can test out this Famicom Disk System that I got. Supposedly it's been fully refurbished and isn't as good of shape as it should ever be. So set the disk data card. It's doing its thing. So I'd say that it works. It's a little weird playing with the, you gotta put the cord between your fingers like that. I have no idea how to play this game, and it's the only game that I've got, but well, it kind of sucks, but anyways, I thought this was neat. At first, when I first got it going, I thought that I had screwed something up royally because plugged it in to this little video monitor, and the sound was just god awful. But what it is it's the microphone. Isn't that neat?